todas, ¿qué tal? Y bienvenido de nuevo a mi canal. Soy Karla de la Pilipinas, mabuhay, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog, and for today's video, we are in Isla Perdiguera. And Isla Perdiguera is part of Murcia, Spain. So yeah, if you're looking for a private island, private island, and very quiet, and yes, you can reset, refresh your brain cells here because there's no one here. As you can see, it's just the birds who's complaining here. A lots of seagulls actually. So I believe that this is their territory. So yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. See ya. There's so many birds.
All times.
And look at this one. Look at
But we
this.
didn't go all along here. There's
tree.
no one.
No one is here. But I love it. I love the view, everything. Looks so nice. So yeah, doon tayo. We're gonna head to that area. So I'll see you there, okay?
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up our love friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone. Making plans so fast we go, worried as when no one knows just how we want it. Going left, going right, matter tonight, just how we want it.
I didn't harm your eggs. You're still good. Hi everyone!
Yes.
So ayan, we are here at the birds are getting so wilder, the wildest, because we just found their eggs. So this is their breeding area or nesting area. So yeah, it's their territory. So of course they're gonna get angry, especially the moms. So we're gonna go there. So let's go. I'll follow you. Now you are the sacrifice.
Yeah.
It's a sacrifice now.
That's Hindu.
If there is like growling animal here, he's gonna get first.
I go. Follow me.
Bottle, broken bottles. So that is for sure a sign of human. Let's take a look. Come. Yeah. So this is just like nothing.
Nothing.
And yes, everyone, the song we are heading back to the Salamat Sea because we are done exploring the two islands, which is the Isla Perdiguera and also Isla Espartania. So thank you so much, seagulls, and I'm really sorry to bother you guys, but don't worry, we didn't harm your eggs. So stay tuned because there's more. Actually, please watch up until the end, and also please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. of our vlog for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course,
Be kind.
always remember to be
Kind.
kind. Adios. Okay.